The consequences of the July unrest continue to be felt by many in Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal. More than 300 people died, while billions of rands were lost during looting sprees and damage to property at different shopping malls in both provinces. This happened soon after the incarceration of former President Zuma for failing to appear before the State Capture Commission. Months later, the country is yet to see those believed to have been behind the unrest wearing orange overalls. But the NPA says it's ready to prosecute.
It's the complex matters which Mr. Lee's talked about that are the ones that are really giving us the challenges. And so from our perspective, it is hard skills, but we are certainly working on that capacity, and we have the resources that we need in terms of the budget. But then it brings me nicely onto the question raised by Honorable Jacob. What is the lifespan of a case? It's very, very difficult to say because it depends, of course, on the complexity of the case. And General Labia can come in on this. And it also depends on the resources and whether you have the resources to ensure that investigations move speedily.
Following a back and forth between ministers in the security cluster on whether they foresaw these riots, the question is whether the country is capable of using its intelligence resources to avoid a repeat of what was witnessed in July.
South Africans need to see that justice is done and that the masterminds and conspirators are brought to book. They also need to see an effective criminal justice system at work, which can properly investigate and prosecute guilty parties. Only then can we start restoring the damage done to our rule of law and to the image of this country.
The ANC is yet to comment on the possible arrest of senior party members as a result of the unrest. Abongile Dumako, SABC News, Johannesburg.